what is abyssal floor? In the deep ocean, abyssal floor is we can say that it consists of abyssal plain and some small hills in this region, abyssal hills. So anything below 3000 meter which is found in the middle of the ocean, there is I said that there is a chain of mountain range, and this chain of mountain range is known as mid-oceanic ridge. So on the side of mid-oceanic ridge, there is some plain area and some abyssal hills are there. Some hills are height is 1000 meters, something like this, with respect to the surround. So abyssal plain and abyssal hills together on the side of mid-oceanic ridge, or if the slope is less, it is known as a mid-oceanic rise also. Means mid-oceanic rise. And what is the difference between mid-ocean rise? Is I said that rise is steeper and rise is small. So it is a chain of mountain range, mid-oceanic rise, and mid-oceanic rise is also chain of mountain. So after that, whatever the region here it is founding, plain area where the lots of large area, deeper part of the ocean, abyssal plain, and then some hills, it is known as abyssal floor. And here we can say there is a continental shelf, continental slope, continental rise, and then abyssal plain. So, and it is this side is oceanic trench. So it can lie between oceanic trench, deeper part of the ocean near to the coastal area, and it can lie between oceanic ridge and oceanic trench. Abyssal floor consists of abyssal hills and abyssal plain. Here I can say that what is abyssal floor? Here it is like the deep, relatively flat surface of the ocean floor, deep as well as flat surface of the ocean floor, located on the both sides of the oceanic ridge, located on both the sides, not only one side, it is located on both the sides. Here it is also abyssal floor, here it is also abyssal floor. It is consist of abyssal plain and it consists of abyssal hills, and it includes the abyssal plains and the abyssal hills. I think it is clear to you.